Oh, this one is a cow. Oh, this one is a rooster. Hey everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my new video, and here is many colorful of toys and animals. So today I will collecting all animals in my bucket. So that is the first one. Ho 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 ho. I collecting in my bucket here. And that is the another one. Hey hey hey. This one is the orange color.
Amazing.
And there is the another one is a green color. Here is another is blue. Ho 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 ho. And there is the pink color. Hey hey hey. And here is the another blue color. Ho ho ho. There is the another pink color also here, and this one is the orange. Here is the another pink also. Ho 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 ho. And there is the another one.
Amazing.
Haha, this one is the so nice. I collecting. So guys, here is all of animals collecting in my bucket. Let's go for cleaning. Guys, here is my cleaning water, and here is my all of animals. So there is the first one I cleaning. Oh ho ho. This one is the horse.
Red color.
I collecting this horse outside. And here is the next one. Oh ho, this one is a scorpion.
Well, for your information, I'm a scorpion. Try not to get in my way here. Not that I will hurt you. Only very few of us are dangerous.
I collecting this scorpion here. There is the another one. Oh ho, this one is a cow. I collecting this cow outside here. Next one. Oh, this one is a lizard. I'm collecting this lizard here. Next one. Oh, this one is a rooster. I'm collecting this rooster here also. And here is the another one. Oh, this one is a town. This one is talking Tom. I collecting. Here is the another one. Oh ho ho, this one is a polar bear. collecting this polar bear outside. And there is the another one. Oh, this one is a very nice and beautiful house. I collecting this Hulk here. And next one. Oh ho ho, this one is the fly. Collecting this fly here. And there is another one. Oh, this one is a rat.
कितनी मेहनत से उसने खेती की थी, सारे खेत बर्बाद हो रहे हैं। क्यों ना हम इसकी कुछ मदद करें?
Collecting this rat here. And that is the last one. Oh, this one is a goat. I'm collecting this goat here. So guys, all of animals I introduce. Let's go for ending my video.